Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction error on your iPhone. Firstly, close any open apps. Then, open iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap on General. Ensure you're not connected to any VPN. If you are, disconnect it. Next, navigate to Language Region Settings and ensure the region matches the one used when creating your Apple ID. If not, adjust accordingly. If this doesn't work, try opening Safari and searching for Apple support. Select the appropriate option and submit your issue. If the error persists, try signing out of your Apple Idaho in Settings, then sign back in. If the issue remains unresolved, verify your personal information in the Apple Idaho settings and make any necessary corrections. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the error. If this video was helpful, please consider sharing and subscribing to my channel for more content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.